this thing took a lick everywhere. It looks great. I have no key on this, y'all, so I cannot give you an accurate if it runs or not, but it has about 14,000 miles, so I'm gonna assume everything is pretty good. Unless it took a very, very, very hard lick somewhere that we can't see. This thing was turned off in the on position with the key in it, and we have no key, so we cannot get anything to function except this radio. It will not turn off. Any trip information, history. $53 devices. That is crazy. Charcoal don't want to work. On the sunroof, it does go up, but it will not go down the back. That's all I got for you today, folks. Anything back there? Alright, this is a small vehicle.